Bingo. Let me see if I can get my hand out of there. Can you show me how you move around, baby? Huh? Sure you're going to stop moving now that I've got the camera going? Bingo. Pretty special day today. We made it to 1 pound. How you doing, little man? Getting a little exercise after his bottle feeding. Look at you go. Yeah, look at you go. Are you going to go hide and be bashful? You're going to be bashful, Mingo? Eyes aren't quite open yet. Let's put you back on the blanket. Yeah. Let's put you back on the blanket. Look at how active. Now if I can only figure out how to upload this. Good night, Mingo.